share of profit is coming down only from ERP projects, because all big companies, big customers they have, and everybody going into ERP, they can charge very heavily. Today ERP SAP implementation goes something like 4 crore or 5 crore, depending on the one of the organization. So they make a lot of money. It's only the manpower who goes and for the implementation. So they pay, if somebody is being paid 40,000 to 50,000 in IBM, the IBM again bills that person for 1 lakh to his client. That is what is the money profit, major profit share what the companies are getting here. This is the structure of the SAP software. R stands for the real-time data. 3 is the 3-layer architecture, and client server concept what it means. Clients can be anywhere in the corners of the globe, and server can be maintained in one of the centralized place what you require. Whatever data is being feeded in the clients will be stored into the server what you are maintaining. The SAP is not confined itself to one industry specific solution. They have 27 different industry specific solutions. They have solutions for insurance, they have solutions for banking, they have solutions for media, they have solutions for telecom industry, they have solutions for manufacturing sector, they have solutions for aerospace, airline industry, for pharmaceutical segment. Each and every vertical of the industries, they have a confined or a customized solution what they have developed. They have a ready-made solution for each and every segment. Today, if ABN AMRO Bank and Deutsche Bank today in banking segment, they are using SAP software. And now if any other banking wants SAP to be implemented, they have a ready-made solution for banking segment. Because all banks running the same platform or same functioning is applied there. Same way when you come down to airline industry, Lufthansa today runs on SAP. If any other airline wants SAP to be implemented, they have a ready-made solution for that. If you come down to your pharmaceutical segment, Cigna, Ranbaxy, Pfizer runs on SAP. If any other pharmaceutical company wants SAP to be implemented, they have a ready-made solution for pharmaceutical segment also. So they have ready-made solution for all industry verticals. That is the reason why they have reached to each and every vertical size. This is going to enhance the job opportunities for people, because if more and more vertical companies are using, so each and every person can do SAP training or SAP certification, because every vertical SAP is required today. SAP knowledge is required. Everywhere SAP is being used in each and every form of business. SAP is revenue in 2009 is 28 billion. It is a very staggering. This is the only company in 2007 which doubled its revenue. That is a very, very big thing for any big company to double its revenue. More than 92,000 companies today run on SAP. We are talking about big brands today all over the global market. This will almost cover 25 to 26% of the global market. With 92,000 companies we are talking, it almost cover 40% of the world's global market in industry-wise, which is using SAP software. So for a private companies, the software being used by most of the companies is a very, very good thing. 51,500 SAP employees today run on SAP, are working in SAP company itself. We are not calculating with the employees who are working in HP, IBM, TCS, Wipro. That numbers will be much, much more higher. 12 million users in 120 different countries today have adopted SAP for their day-to-day activity. 67 different languages SAP can run. They can run on Windows, they can run on Linux, Unix, any kind of operating system they can run. So it is very, very flexible and very popular into the job market today. IDC had conducted a survey to know which is the most largest and strategic IT trader in the industry. When they compared with Microsoft, Oracle or Sun Microsystems, there also SAP was adjudged the most largest and strategic IT trader in the industry, because all over the globe, anywhere in the world you go and get trained on SAP, it is the same uniformity which is being applied. You go get trained in Australia, or you go get trained in US or Japan or France, or get trained in Coimbatore, or you get trained in Delhi or Bombay, anywhere you get trained. They follow the same syllabus or same pattern of training. There is absolutely no difference as such when they follow the training pattern. And everything is given directly by the company. There is no mediator involved. So whatever as a customer you get from the company, you get the full version, or the 100% what is being given by the company is given to you as a customer. Why SAP is so coming down into so much boom and so much requirement in the industry? Say 2008 there were only 80,000 companies who were using SAP. In 2009, just 1 year, they have 12,000 more companies added to the SAP platform who are using SAP. So more and more requirements are rising. There are shortage of SAP consultants at this stage. In 2010, there is shortage of almost 50,000 to 60,000 SAP consultants worldwide. So that is there is a gap between the demand and supply. That is the reason why SAP boom has really started, and SAP has become more flexible. Earlier, it was not at all flexible. They would charge something like 3 lakh or 3.5 lakh, and that was the only option where somebody has to get trained on certification. But now they come down half the price. They have reduced the e-learning. They have gone to the colleges even at more reduced price. The training are given at better prices, and because requirements are very good. That is the reason why they have become more flexible. To prepare the foundation for tomorrow. See, this is the only IT segment where you require even people who are at the age of 45 or 46, 47 also people can break into the IT industry. And this is the only IT industry where you purely need not be a technical person to get into the IT segment. Your functional experience is carried forwarded into the SAP platform where you get a job. So unlike your Java or .NET where you have to learn the hardcore programming, you don't need to know any programming knowledge here. For programming knowledge, you have a programming module. For all other functional modules, you require to understand the business process. You need to understand how the particular department runs, day-to-day process of that particular business runs here. So understanding of business process is more required than any other technical knowledge is not quite here. Constant need of looking for content, so you have better opportunities when you get trained in SAP. SAP's position in India is very, very healthy. Almost 4,500 plus customers they have in India. All big brands today run on SAP platform here. They have a SAP labs, R&D center in Bangalore and Gurgaon. There are 39 education centers all over India. SAP has got. Some interesting facts about SAP in Indian market. 11 out of 18 Navratnas today run on SAP. Navratnas are the public sector enterprise, PSCs, what you call it. The government-owned companies today, Bharat Petroleum, Steel Authority, BHEL, Betel, all these are the PSCs which are called Navratnas of India. Out of 18 Navratnas, majority, 11 Navratnas today run SAP. This itself is a big proof that SAP is so popular in Indian market and government-owned companies are using SAP. That itself shows that they have potential in Indian market. 9 out of 10 most popular and largest companies today run on SAP. 24 out of 20 companies listed in Sensex today run on SAP. You have 37 out of 50 companies listed in Nifty runs on SAP. The list goes on. Out of Fortune 500 companies, majority of the companies today run on SAP platform. When we come on vertical wise, segment wise, industry wise also, you have oil and gas, you have Bharat Petroleum, Indian Oil, Reliance, KHL, GAIL, ONG running on SAP software. You have Procter Reeves, ABB, Cable running on SAP software. You have TVS, which is your Tamil Nadu based company which runs on SAP software. Hero Honda, Tata Motors running on SAP software. You have ITC, Hindustan Lever, Samsung, Videocon running on SAP software. You have Idea, Telecom running. Each and every vertical you have SAP companies which are in India who are using SAP software for great activity. This is to show you how much of opportunities in Indian market alone you have for SAP platform. When you come down to Tamil Nadu, there are so many companies which are there. Your own Coimbatore, food industry also into SAP platform. They have implemented SAP in their companies. There are a lot of companies in Chennai and which are using SAP software. Again, your Chennai and Hosur, Tirupur, a lot of companies. This shows that you don't have shortage of employment in Tamil Nadu also. You need not travel to Bombay or Hyderabad to get jobs. You have opportunity levels even in your own Coimbatore and Tirupur. Tirupur, there are so many garments. The textile industry is very, very huge in Tirupur. There are 4,000 textile industries. And now in the last budget, they have allocated 250 crore for upgradation of textile industry in Tirupur. Out of that, so many upgradation is nothing but technology upgradation. So a lot of companies will go for SAP implementation. So a lot of opportunities will arise in Coimbatore and your Tirupur. Now KT Park, Tidal Park is coming down in near Hope College. I suppose they are under the construction. Infosys and Wipro might come down there. So these kind of companies coming down, minimum 800-900 SAP consultant requirement will definitely arise in Coimbatore alone. Apparel and textile industry is a huge market, employee market, where you have companies like Arvind, you have Welspun Group, you have Satnaj Textile Group, which is RK Group, you have Alok Industries, Super Sunil, all industries, the majority of textile industry, apparel industry, they are running on SAP software. Bangalore running on SAP software, Selen Garment and Tirupur running on SAP software. Krishna Group, which is having in Trichy and Madurai, their textile mills, they are running on SAP software. So there are a lot of scope for job opportunity when you have SAP certification under your belt. So this is to show you how many processes are involved in any kind of organization. SAP follows the kind of process involved in any kind of organization. You have each and every process is interconnected and integrated with each other. Yeah, basic problem is not unemployment, it is unemployability. Today, even in the recession period, this is the only company which has been still recruiting the people. This is the company which is least affected in the recession period, very least